Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will check out the OnePlus Nord Buds 3 review. I'll share my thoughts about this one. So let's check it out. I got this earbuds from the OnePlus website, but this is also available on Amazon. I'll share the product link in the description along with other helpful OnePlus Nord Buds 3 videos. You can check it out after watching this video if you are interested. This is the melodic white color model. This is also available on harmonic grey color model. The white color looks classy and it is easy to clean. Like we can easily figure out the dirt and stuff. But again, this kind of finish will easily get scratches, especially if you have keychains in your pocket along with this earbuds. But again, not a big deal overall. The build quality of the earbuds and the charging case is decent too, and the earbuds fit properly in my ear and it doesn't fall off during jogging or even when I was sweating like crazy while walking. We also get IP55 water and dust resistance. This is not like completely waterproof but more like water resistant, which is good to protect during light rainfall or accidental water drops. We can't use it for swimming and stuff though. We have Bluetooth 5.4 and also Google Fastpair for quick connectivity on Android devices. We get 94 milliseconds latency, which should be pretty fine for gaming. Apart from this, I also get this game mode when I connected this to my Samsung phone, where we can sync the audio and video while playing games. This will reduce the game lag and provide a smooth experience. And we also have dual connection support. This enables us to connect up to two devices at the same time. We can also switch between them easily. We can find all these options in the A Melody mobile app. We also have active noise cancellation on this model. What this generally does is it will try to remove the background noise like traffic sound for example. We have AI noise cancellation for phone calls too. It will cancel all the unnecessary noise when we have this on our ears. We have 32 decibel ANC, which is good, at least compared to the previous version. We have three options on the A Melody app for this: noise cancellation off, and transparency mode. This transparency mode allows us to get a hold of what's happening around us during the ANC, but personally the ANC is pretty average overall. We can configure the taps of both left and right earbuds. We can do a single tap, we can do double tap, and we can also even do triple tap for various events. For a single tap, we have these options, and for double tap, we have these options, and for triple tap, we have these options. It's the same for both left and right, and we can also touch and hold or long touch for some activities. These are the options for that. I often get confused about the tap functionalities, so it took some time to properly tap the earbuds to do all these actions. Regarding the battery life, we should get around 40 hours playback time with the earbuds and the charging case overall. The charging case got 440 mAh battery inside, and if we use ANC all the time, then it will be around 25 to 30 hours overall. If you want to know how much battery we have on this device, then we can figure it out by the status indicator light here. If it is green, then it means the battery is high, and if it is red, then the battery is low. We can also use the A Melody app to get the exact numbers. One second. We can also use the A Melody app to get the exact numbers of the left earbuds, right earbuds, and also the charging case. I never had any issue with the battery life. It's good overall. We can usually charge the whole device within 1 hour or so. We also have fast charging support. That means we get 4 hours of power within 10 minutes of charge. Of course, the major question about any earbuds will be about the sound quality. Keeping the price point in mind, this does sound well. The bass is good, phone call quality is good. We also have this bass wave option. We can access this using the app. This will boost and give us a deep bass. And we also have OnePlus 3D audio for immersive sound environment. I'm not really into this much. And we also have the Soundmaster EQ with all the default and other options. For the phone calls and listening to music, I have no issues. I make a lot of phone calls when I'm going for a walk. Let it be WhatsApp calls or normal phone calls, it does the job. We have two mics on these earbuds, FF mic and talk mic. We also have AI stuff to remove the background noise during the phone calls. The phone call quality is good. I faced no issues during the phone calls I made in the past 1 week. Let's discuss the pros and cons of this OnePlus Nord Buds 3 now. Regarding the pros, this is a budget friendly model, and over a period of time the price will only get reduced. So definitely something we can consider if we have a limited budget. The battery life is good mostly during the time when the ANC is off, but still it's good. It's comfortable to wear. The fit is good for my ears. We have a Google Fastpair for quick connectivity, and we have a IP55 water and dust resistance. Regarding the cons, the ANC is fine, not like something we can use and find a good difference, but it's there. There is no in-ear detection, like it won't stop the audio if we remove this from our ears. Maybe for this budget we can't expect this, but again we feel every earbud should have this. Should you buy this OnePlus Nord Buds 3 or not? If you have a smartphone which is from OnePlus and if you have a limited budget, yet you expect a good earbuds with battery and sound, then this is a good option. You can definitely give this a try. Thanks for watching this video. Kindly share your questions and thoughts about the OnePlus Nord Buds 3 in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.